math lesson for Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. Boys and girls, we are looking at worksheets pages 309, 310. Make sure you have that out and ready. Also, please go ahead and get out your whiteboard and your marker. We may do some work on the whiteboards, okay? Now, page 309 is simply a review page for you, okay? So we are starting with page 310. We are looking at number 1. Boys and girls, the problems that I have written on this board are the same problems that are on your worksheet. Now, you looked at this on Monday with me. We are adding 3-digit numbers, okay? What does that mean? That means we're adding numbers with digits in our ones place, our tens place, and our hundreds place, okay? Now, something different about your problems today. Today, you are going to be carrying to the tens place, okay? Now, you've done that before, but you've only done that with adding 2-digit numbers. Today, we're going to do it with adding 3-digit numbers. I'm going to help walk you through this, okay? This is going to be easy peasy, okay? Number 1, let's look at example A together. 327 plus 235. Now, remember, just like when we add 2-digit numbers, we always start in the ones place, okay? Let's look at our ones place here. 7 plus 5. You should know this addition fact. 7 plus 5 equals 12. Now, I cannot put 2 numbers in my ones place, okay? You know this by now. I'm going to record my 2 in my ones place, carry my 1, or carry my tens to the 10 column. Okay, now don't forget to add that 10 when you add the numbers in your tens column. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 3 equals, yes, 6. Am I done? No. I need to add the numbers in my hundreds column. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Very nice. 327 plus 235 equals 562. Now let's look at example B. 406 plus 516. Boys and girls, you're welcome to work this on your worksheet with me, or you can pause the video and you can write it on your whiteboard to work it. If you do that, remember to align your numbers properly. Make sure your ones are in your ones column, your tens are in your tens column, and your hundreds are in your hundreds column, okay? I want you to pause the video and I want you to work that problem. Do not forget to carry to the tens column, okay? When you're done, unpause it and we will look at it together. Here we go. Did you start in the ones place? 6 plus 6 equals 12. I'm going to carry my 10. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. I'm now looking at my hundreds column. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 406 plus 516 equals 922. Very nice. Let's look at example C together. Same thing. You may work it on your worksheet or you may pause the video and work this on your whiteboard. If you do so, make sure your ones are in your ones column, your tens are in your tens column, and your hundreds are in your hundreds column. Go ahead and pause the video to work your problem. Let's see how you did. We're going to start in the ones column. 4 plus 6 equals, you got it, 10. I'm going to carry my 10 to my tens column. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Very nice. Now let's look at the hundreds column. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 534 plus 226 equals 760. Wow. Look at this work you are doing. You are brilliant. Okay, now we are going to look at number 2. You have 2 word problems on your worksheet. We're going to look at the first one together. I'm going to read it once to you, and then we're going to go back together and underline keywords, okay? Tanya knows 12 letters in sign language. Tina knows only 5 letters. How many more does Tanya know than Tina? Boys and girls, let's look at the key words in this problem. Tanya knows 12 letters in sign language. Tina knows only 5 letters. How many more? Boys and girls, those are key words. We've talked about these. How many more? What does that tell you? That tells you you are looking for a difference. How many more? That means you are working a subtraction problem. Boys and girls, when you fill in your boxes, make sure that you have a subtraction sign in your box, okay? Let's fill in these boxes together. Tanya knows 12 letters. Tina knows only 5 letters. Boys and girls, when you are writing a subtraction problem, you always start with your biggest number. Tanya knows 12. 12 minus 5. How many more does Tanya know than Tina? 12 minus 5. We're looking for that difference. 12 minus 5 equals, you got it, 7. Tanya knows 7 more letters than Tina, okay? Very nice. Now, last thing that we're going to look at. Number 3 on your worksheet says use tally marks to show these facts. Now, they've already written the facts for you. They simply want you to use tally marks to show the facts. Now, boys and girls, you've used tally marks before, but I'm going to review something for you really quickly to help you remember the tally marks, okay? We have a little poem that we use, okay? I've got my poem here. Tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch this. I'm going to draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 shuts the door. Okay? Remember, on the 5th line, you draw a line across. 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 10 draws the line. Boys and girls, remember, when you do tally marks, you'll draw 4 lines. Every 5th line, you draw a line across. So let's look at a couple of problems that you will see on your worksheet. Okay? Look at this first problem here. A, 7 plus 4 equals 11. Let's draw these tally marks together. We're going to do the first one together, and then I'm going to let you do the second one on your own and see how you do. 7. We need to draw 7 tally marks. Okay, so remember, we're going to draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 shuts the door. I still need more. I need 7 lines, 7 tally marks. 5. I'm going to draw 2 more. 6, 7. 7 plus, I need 4 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 7 plus 4 equals 11. Now, I want you to work on the second problem on your own. 8 plus 5. Okay, I want you to draw 8 tally marks and 5 tally marks. You may pause the video and we will check your work together. Here we go. 8 plus 5. Now they've already given you the fact. 8 plus 5 equals 13. So let's draw those tally marks, okay? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 shuts the door. But I need 8. 6, 7, 8. All right. 8 plus 5. Let's draw 5 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 shuts the door. Okay? This should be coming back to you. You've done this in kindergarten and in first grade. I know it's been a little while though. You have, I think, one more problem you're going to work on your own on your worksheet, and we'll see more of those again. We'll continue to work on that, okay?